Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to build wealth and achieve financial freedom? Then you need to harness the power of artificial intelligence, AI. In this video, we'll show you how AI can help you make more money and provide you with the ultimate guide to leveraging AI for financial success. AI has transformed the financial industry, making it easier than ever to analyze vast amounts of data and make informed investment decisions. With AI, you can predict market trends, identify investment opportunities, and create a personalized investment portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Financial advisors can use AI to analyze your financial situation and create a comprehensive financial plan that maximizes your investment returns and minimizes your risks. AI-powered investment apps can help you manage your portfolio and provide personalized investment advice, so you can make smarter investment decisions on the go. But AI isn't just for investing. It can also help you save money. By analyzing your spending habits, an algorithm can identify areas where you might be overspending and suggest ways to cut back. AI-powered budgeting apps can help you track your expenses, set savings goals, and stay on top of your finances, so you can achieve your financial goals faster. So, whether you're an investor or just trying to save a little extra cash, AI can help you make more money and achieve financial success. But how do you get started with AI? It can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are the steps you need to take to start using AI to make more money. Step 1. Determine your financial goals and risk tolerance. Step 2. Find a reputable financial advisor or investment app that uses AI. Step 3. Analyze your financial situation and create a personalized financial plan. Step 4. Monitor your investment portfolio and adjust your strategy as needed. Step 5. Use AI-powered budgeting apps to track your expenses and save money. By following these steps, you can harness the power of AI to make more money and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll be sure to respond. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to leverage AI for success.